Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is magnification produced by a spherical mirror. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror. Dear students, we already know that the size of the image formed by a spherical mirror depends on the position of the object from the mirror. यानी spherical mirror जो होते हैं ये डिफरेंट साइज की इमेज बनाते हैं. ये या तो ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से बड़ी इमेज बनाते हैं या ऑब्जेक्ट के बराबर इमेज बनाते हैं या छोटी इमेज बनाते हैं. द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर कैन बी बिगर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट, इक्वल टू द ऑब्जेक्ट और स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. द साइज ऑफ द इमेज रिलेटेड टू द ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन बाय मैग्निफिकेशन. The magnification produced by a spherical mirror is defined as a ratio of height of the image h2 to the height of the object h1. The ratio of height of the image to the height of the object is known as magnification. It is represented by m. That is, magnification is equal to height of image divided by height of object, or m is equal to h2 by h1. h2 is the height of the image and h1 is the height of the object. Dear students, क्योंकि स्फेरिकल मिरर जो होते हैं ये डिफरेंट साइज की इमेज बनाते हैं. जब इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से बड़ी हो, यानी जब इमेज मैग्नीफाइड हो, दैट इज h2 is greater than h1, size of the image is greater than size of the object. As we know, magnification is equal to h2 by h1. Therefore, magnification is greater than 1. That means magnification is greater than 1. That is, magnification is very high. When the image is of the same size as that of the object, जब इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज के बराबर हो, यानी इमेज साइज इज इक्वल टू ऑब्जेक्ट साइज. As magnification is equal to h2 by h1, that is, magnification is equal to 1. When image size is equal to object size, then magnification is equal to 1. Dear students, जब इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से छोटी हो, when image is smaller than the object, that is, h2 is less than h1, image size is less than object size, then magnification is less than 1. Then magnification is less than 1. Dear students, magnification in case of real and virtual image. Magnification in case of real and virtual image formation. When the image is real and inverted, image lies below the principal axis. जब इमेज रियल और इन्वर्टेड होती है तो ये कहाँ पर बनती है? बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. इमेज लाइज बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. देयरफॉर हाइट ऑफ द इमेज इज नेगेटिव. व्हेन द इमेज लाइज बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, देन द इमेज ऑफ हाइट ऑफ द इमेज इज नेगेटिव. एज वी नो, हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. देयरफॉर m is equal to h2 by h1. It is equal to negative. When the image is real and inverted, it lies below the principal axis. So the height of the image is negative, but the image of the object is always positive. Therefore, magnification is equal to negative. When the image is virtual and erect, that is, the image lies above the principal axis. जब इमेज वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट होती है तो यह हमेशा प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर बनती है. देयरफॉर हाइट ऑफ द इमेज इज पॉजिटिव. हाइट ऑफ द इमेज इज पॉजिटिव एज द हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ऑब्जेक्ट की जो हाइट होती है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होती है. देयरफॉर मैग्निफिकेशन इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव. When the height of the object is positive and height of the image is positive, then magnification is equal to positive. Dear students, a convex mirror forms only virtual images. We know that the convex mirrors form only virtual images. So the magnification produced by a convex mirror is always positive. Magnification is also the ratio of the image distance v to the object distance u with a minus sign. Magnification is also the ratio of the image distance to the object distance but with a minus sign. That is, magnification is equal to minus image distance divided by object distance, or magnification is equal to minus v by u. Thus we can also write m is equal to, that means magnification is equal to height of the image h2 divided by height of the object h1 is equal to minus v by u, is equal to minus v by u. V is the distance of the image and v is the image distance and u is the object distance. So m is equal to h2 divided by h1, or it is also equal to minus v by u. Dear students, this is about the magnification of spherical mirrors. Thank you.